What's up guys, Dan Kohan here, and today I'm going to be going over the top 3 mindsets to have as a real estate investor and landlord. First off, special thanks to Rent Redi rental management software for partnering with me on this video. Guys, if you want an awesome rental management system that has personally saved me a ton of time and helped me screen my tenants and do a bunch of other stuff, go ahead and check out Rent Redi. Link in the description and use my code for 20% off. So the first and the biggest mindset to have being a real estate investor is the trait of perseverance. Real estate investing is a business, and with that comes a lot of challenges. And if you're trying to expand, you're going to create more problems for yourself. You're going to run into more things, and that's good because with that, it's going to come more income, more success as a result of overcoming those things. And you're going to have to be willing to learn a lot of new stuff very fast, dealing with people, dealing with tenants, finding tenants, advertising, how to, work with people, work with contractors. You're gonna have to spend money you didn't expect to spend. So having this mindset of perseverance and not giving up, not giving in, because eventually you will, and you should be winning and you will continue winning, but it may be challenging, but you can push through that. Now, the next biggest mindset to have would be the mindset of creativity and always thinking about how can you solve a problem or achieve an outcome rather than it's not possible. You always want to approach it saying, how can we do this? Or how can we get financing for this property? All right, guys, the third mindset that I have to share with you is probably the mindset of long-term thinking. Now, real estate by its nature is an extremely long game. You're taking the capital that you've accumulated, investing it into an asset that's going to pay you a very small relative amount over time that in the long run, you're gonna be coming out on top with. Always think about the long-term ramifications of your actions and how they affect stuff, especially when you're dealing with people, with your relationship, bankers, contractors, your partners, things like that. You're always leaving people on good terms and making your deals right is critical to your relationships, which are going to ultimately benefit you massively in the long run. So with that, guys, if you want to ensure your success in the long run, you're going to need an awesome rental management software. If you want the one that I use, Rent Redi, it's going to save you a ton of time, effort, and energy in the long run every single month. And if you'd like to go ahead and take a look at that or go ahead and get it, go ahead and check out the link in the description and use my code to save 20% off your subscription. And guys, with that, please, if you like the video, like it and subscribe, and I will see you in the next chapter.